Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Google Forms with AI to classify responses. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Forms and create a new form. Add the questions you want to ask. Make sure to include open-ended questions for detailed responses. Once your form is set up, click on the Responses tab. Here, you'll find the option to view responses in a spreadsheet. Click on the green Sheets icon to open the linked Google Sheets. In the Google Sheets, you'll see all the responses collected from your form. Now, prepare your spreadsheet for AI classification. Make sure each response is in a separate row. Create a new column next to the responses for the classification results. Next, you'll need to access Google Cloud's AI tools. Visit the Google Cloud platform and create a new project if you don't have one. Enable the Natural Language API within your project. Proceed to generate API credentials for connecting to the AI service. Copy your API key for later use. Now return to your Google Sheets. Go to Extensions, then Apps Script to open the script editor. In the script editor, paste a function that will call the Natural Language API. Use the API key you copied earlier in your script. Set the function to loop through each response, sending it to the AI for classification. Store the classification results in the new column you created. After writing the script, save your changes. Close the script editor and return to your Google Sheets. Run your function from the Apps Script menu. Wait for the processing to complete, which may take a few moments. Once finished, check the classification results in the new column. Review the classifications to ensure they are accurate. Now, you can use this data to analyze responses more effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.